Hey, forgive me, but this is my first voiceover, so bear with me. But here's a quick overview of the install for the Auxbeam switch panel using the KC Highlight Engine Tray Kit. First off, I mounted the Auxbeam port switch panel using the KC Highlights Engine Tray Kit. This tray fits perfectly in the engine bay and gives you a solid foundation for mounting aftermarket gear like this. From there, I tapped into the passenger side fuse box using a 5-foot inverter wire. I routed across the engine bay using zip ties and protective shielding to keep everything secure and clean. That wire runs directly into a 60 amp fuse box, which I installed to give me a quick disconnect option. Super handy for maintenance or upgrades down the line. To power the Auxbeam switch panel when the car is turned on, I tapped into the ETC fuse on the driver's side fuse box. I used an add a circuit kit for this that comes with the kit, running two 15 amp fuses to make sure everything stays protected and factory safe. This gives me ignition control power so the switch panel doesn't stay live when the vehicle is off, helping prevent battery drain. As you can see, here's the add a fuse, crimped red wires, basically wedged between the connector and the box. CA tuned ditch brackets, simple install. Now here's where the firewall grommet is. The grommet you need is on the bottom, just on the other side of the. Alright, moving to the cabin. Might be some poor lighting. Put the black wire at the bottom there. You can see is at the bottom of the grommet. Just gotta move the felt out the way when you fish it through. See, I got it pinched. Basically just ran it underneath the dash. And then there's a cubby behind the center console. You can snake it through to the passenger side. So on the passenger side, underneath the glove box, there's a cover you can pull off, just a couple of tabs, and you can pull the wire from the driver's side, get you some slack. And then by then you want to pop off this cover. There's 2 tabs on each end, and there's a middle tab. Basically just work your way across, pulling the tabs. You can see here I dremelled out the portion for the wire to come out, and I just used a couple of fasteners for the bracket. But yeah, reach out if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.